Yes, hello everybody. Well, welcome to Maths Pidgin. The name never changed now. So we will talk about sets for our last class. If you remember, we introduced sets. So we can talk about element of sets, how we take denote sets, and the element of sets. We can talk about rules, what we take generate sets, or statements on how we could take generate our sets. We can talk about superset and subset, universal set, infinite and finite set. We can talk about cardinality of sets, and we can talk about complement of sets, and then equality of sets, and everything of sets. So we just introduced sets for our last class. Now, based on those introductions, what we don't do for last class, we want to use and solve some small questions for sets before we will come dive deep inside that set. So we'll check this question. This question says, given that U, that's our universal set, but we can't describe the set. One of the rules, what would they take generate set and to describe it? So given that U is equal to all the days in a week, and then B, set B now all the days in the week whose letters begin with S. That one is the description of set B. And then these are the questions where they tell us what we arrange. We can say list all the elements of set U. List the members of B. List the members of B complement. Now remember, we say B complement like this. Now the denotation or the sign what we take represent complement of set. And then for this one, they can say what is the cardinality of set B. And for here, they can say what is the cardinality of B complement. So more answer the question sharp. Let the days of the week, days of the week be represented like this by the letters they begin with. They begin with. So in that case, we have that Monday begins with M, right? So we have N. Tuesday begins with T. Wednesday begins with W. Thursday begins with T, or we add H like this to differentiate Thursday and Tuesday. And then Friday, F like this. And then Saturday. And then Sunday, we'll represent Sunday as U like this. So this one can be our set U. And then the element of set U will be Sunday like this, Monday like this, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday like this, and then Saturday like this. Then our set B say all the days of the week that begins with S. So we have 2 days in a week that begins with S, So we get Sunday and Saturday, And then B complement, now the next set, where the same we do. So what is the complement? Complement, now all the sets where the universal set, where we go for the subset extracted from universal set, So we get Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Now B complement with that one. And then, now what we don't do with that? We don't answer the first question, the second, the third. So the fourth one says, what is the cardinality of B? So the cardinality of B, now, cardinality of B, now 2, abi? We say cardinality in a number of elements in a set. So cardinality of B now 2, 1, 2. And then the next one say the cardinality of B's complement. Cardinality of B complement now 5, abi? 5. So we don't answer all the questions with that. See this question. This question, people say simple, but to me I don't know. So given that U has these elements, abi, and B gets these elements, and L gets all these elements, they can say find cardinality of U. And then they say find cardinality of B plus the cardinality of L complement. Cardinality of B complement plus cardinality of L. And then the last question say cardinality of B complement minus cardinality of L complement. So now we get U, B, L. So the way to answer this question, I'll be waiting we go do be say we go find B complement. So B complement. Now all the elements wey dey universal set wey no dey for B. So A no dey here, we write A. B dey here. C no dey here, so we write C. And then D no dey here, we write D. And then E dey here. F no dey here, so we write F. G dey here, abi? So we know we write G. And then H no dey. K dey, we no write K. L no dey, so we write L, abi? And then P dey here, but Q no dey, so we write Q. Now B complement is that. Then the next thing we go do now to look for L complement. L complement. Now all the elements where they universal set, we know they L, abi? So A dey here, we know we write A. B dey. C no dey, so we write C. D dey. E no dey, we write E. And then F no dey, ba? We write F. G dey. H no dey, we write H. And then K dey, we no go write K. L no dey, we write L. And then P dey, but Q no dey, so we go write Q like this. So we don't get L complement. So we fit answer our questions now. The first question say make we find the cardinality of universal set. So cardinality of universal set. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now 12. And then cardinality of B. Cardinality of B. In fact, we just find all their cardinalities. Then we will continue to answer our question. Cardinality of set B. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Cardinality of L. Like this. Cardinality of L, capital L. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 6. So cardinality of B complement. Like this. we just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 7. So cardinality of L complement, we just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now 6. So now we answer the second question. The second question says the cardinality of B plus cardinality of L complement. So question number 2. Cardinality of B plus cardinality of L complement. So our B cardinality is 5 plus cardinality of L complement is 6. So we get 6, which is 11. We don't solve that one. And then the next question say cardinality of B complement plus cardinality of L. B complement plus cardinality of L. So B complement is 7 plus cardinality of L now 6. So 7 and 6 now 13 and 7 plus 6 now 13. And then the last question, now this one back. We say last question. Question number 4 now. Cardinality of B complement minus cardinality of L complement. So B complement now 7 minus L complement now 6. So the cardinality of this minus this is 1. So we don't solve our question finish. Alright, Mona help me try these questions. This one say if they set you all the months in a year, and then set A all the months in a year beginning with the letter J, and then this one all the months in a year ending with the letter R. This one R. Then now the question we will go answer with this. List all the members of set U. List all the members of set A. List all the members of set B. And then find the cardinality of A plus the cardinality of B complement. B complement. So for here, we say if you all the countries in ECOWAS sub-region, our universal said that, and then said X, now all the Anglophone countries in West Africa. This one, set Y, all the Francophone countries in West Africa. And then they say, list all the elements of set U, list all the elements of set X, list all the elements of set Y, and then find cardinality of X plus the cardinality of Y. I hope this class makes sense. Abi, if it makes sense, make a hear and for your comment. If it don't make sense, make a new one for your comment. Don't forget to like, Abi, like and subscribe. And then, before I forget, all these exercises, we collect them from project, Further Maths Project, Book 1, revised edition. Thank you. God bless you. Stay blessed, stay safe, and stay mathematical.